So it's Earth Day, and I figure who better to ask to come on our show today than the folks from the Center for Eco-Technology and Eco-Building Bargains to help us all get a little greener this year.
We're having some fun on the show today with Sonia and Jenny. We've got some more segments coming up too. We're doing a triathlon.
Yep, it's Earth Day, so we're doing a Go Green triathlon for you guys. It's going to be an intense competition.
Yeah,
hope you're ready.
There's a prize, by the way. I want to.
Yeah,
normally
it's a prize.
we're competitive as it is. There's
No,
a.
we're not.
It's the Greenie.
Right, the
Are you
coveted
kidding?
Greenie Award that you guys are fighting for.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a
So.
painted light bulb, and it's the coolest thing ever.
Okay, can we get started?
Yes, please.
Okay, so what is our challenge?
All right, so we have these tiles here, which we got at Eco-Building Bargains, and you're just going to paint them with whatever Earth Day means to you. Interpret that as you will, and Jenny and I will be the judges.
Okay.
And
Now, these tiles, these are available at Eco-Building Bargains?
yeah, they are. So the idea here is just that you can reuse things in many different ways. Earth Day is a great time to be thinking about that, and tiles can be reused as coasters or hot plates.
Right.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
And these, if you look underneath yours, there's actually felt. So if you wanted to put these on your dining room table, share with your family, they wouldn't scratch the table. So it's just a really easy way to upcycle things.
That's a good idea.
And throughout the day, we're going to be keeping score of you guys on this great upcycled chalkboard.
Can we talk about this
much
chalkboard for
pressure.
a few?
Yes, we definitely can.
This is the perfect example of an upcycle thing
Yes.
that I really want in my home. Take us through how you did it.
So basically, this is just a cabinet door, and
Okay.
you know, let's say you're dismantling your home. You don't have to throw these things in the landfill, and you can pretty much just get chalkboard paint, and you just, you know, maybe want to sand it down. You're going to paint this part black, and let it dry, and then you just have an instant chalkboard, and you can attach little pieces of hardware to hang it from something. You can also frame it on your wall if you'd like. So this is great. Chalkboards are really versatile, so you can do this with a lot of things and put it in your home. It's
And
great
it's
for
so
decoration.
trendy, too.
Definitely.
Okay.
Oh, that's looking good, Ashley.
I don't know. I'm stressing out here. I don't only have so much time. Oh my gosh, 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna take your yellow.
Okay. You can
Okay.
have all the yellow you
So-
want because I've got my idea. And mine is borderline political. Mine
Oh,
is one way
boy.
to get people talking. It's
Wow.
Here we go. Is everybody ready to see it?
Yep.
Ashley, are you ready to come in second place today? Here's a sun. And the sun has question marks around it. Now, why, might you ask, does the sun have question marks?
Why does the sun have questions?
Because if we don't make positive changes in our world, who's to know what might happen to our sun?
Wow, that's so nice.
That's why we need to
That is
reduce,
deep.
reuse, and recycle on Earth Day,
There
or
you
else
go.
we'll have sun question marks.
Wait, that's
People
really
are
nice.
clapping in the audience. This is fantastic.
Nice
All right.
work, Seth.
Now,
All right, Ashley.
If
what do
we
you
were
got?
an Iron
Oh,
Chef, we
no.
would say, you know, utensils down. So
All right, Ashley, is that?
Mother Earth.
That's good stuff. That's good stuff.
That's
Look
pretty
at
good.
that.
Are we gonna?
She's
are we-
supposed to be holding a baby, but I didn't have time.
what do you think, Sonia? This is tough.
You know what?
You know,
We'll wait till later to see the decision. Also coming up on the show today. What? Oh, you want to know now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, you guys have to consult.
I don't know.
Wait, I want to know now.
We're going to say Mother Earth. Sorry, Seth.
Coming up on the show. Earth Day rolls along with Leah Litorno. She's an Eco Fellow, Center for Eco-Technology. So now we are doing turbine trivia. This is a wind turbine, is that right?
yes.
And we're going to spin it, get a turbine trivia related question. Ashley, you're up.
I am?
You're
Oh,
up.
I'm not prepared. Okay.
That's why I did it.
All right, so I'm getting a,
Solar, close to solar. All right.
Okay.
So this is a true or false question. Enough sunlight falls on the Earth's surface every hour to meet the world's energy demand for an entire year.
Enough sunlight falls. Yes, true.
That is indeed true.
Yes.
Ashley gets a point.
All right.
You're
This
up,
thing.
Seth.
Give
it a good spin.
Oh, that's
I'll take a
right.
wind
Wind?
one.
All right,
I'll take
do
a wind
wind.
one.
Let's see. What is the average wind speed needed to convert wind energy into electricity? It's okay, it's multiple choice.
Oh.
A, 20 miles per hour, B, 14 miles per hour, or C, 5 miles per hour?
C, 5 miles per hour.
It's actually B, 14 miles per hour
I'm gonna
is
lose
the
it.
average wind speed needed to
gonna
convert
lose
wind
it.
electricity into.
Looks like
All right,
that
you're up,
trophy's
Ashley.
calling my name. Okay.
All right, go for it.
Oh, that was a good spin.
That was a good spin. Oh, another wind, it
Wind,
looks
oh.
like.
We're learning
Okay.
a lot about the wind today.
True or false, wind power is currently the fastest growing source of electricity production in the world.
True.
That's true, yes. Ashley gets a point.
Can I
This
say?
is like easy question city
I'm
right
greener
now for
than you.
Ashley.
We'll do. How about you?
I
wanna
compost.
We'll do a wild.
Okay, yeah, give me a wild
Come
card.
on, we'll do that. That'll be good.
Ridiculous.
Okay, which of the following is not used to power anaerobic digesters? A, manure, B, natural gas, or C, food waste?
Natural gas.
You got it!
Yes.
Yes!
Okay.
All right,
You're
buddy.
on board.
It's about time.
All right.
Okay.
This is so embarrassing.
Wind. We'll say
again.
Okay. A large single wind turbine can power approximately how many homes? A, 100, B, 1,000, or C, 500?
I'm going to say a large one is really efficient. B, 1,000.
Oh, it's actually C. A single wind turbine can do approximately 500 homes.
Okay, all right. I learned something.
And that's why it's important that we have more wind power. Let's do this thing. We have about a minute left, so
All
it's
right.
catch-up time for me.
Another wind.
More
All right.
wind.
True or false? This is easy now.
Okay.
The United States generates the most energy worldwide.
It's one of the bigger countries in the
tricky.
world. Russia's probably up there, but I don't think they're as technically advanced as we are when it comes to energy. I'm going to go with yes, true.
It's actually false. But the United States is really close. We're second only to China.
To China.
Yes, so we're
Tricky
second.
one.
Well,
So
that
that is
was
a tricky.
In
not
the
your
same
fault.
area.
Okay.
That
Okay.
was a hard one.
Come on, go
Okay.
Ashes. I need one more. Shot at redemption here.
Okay,
This is
solar.
ridiculous.
Give me some
Okay.
sun.
All right, let's see here.
Butterflies. All right, Leah, pick a good one. Pick
True
a
or
good one.
false?
Okay.
Solar energy is the only renewable energy that does not use a turbine.
Solar energy is the only renewable energy that does not use a turbine. True.
It is indeed true.
Yes! All
We have time
right.
for one more
All
question.
right, go
And
for
it's
it.
going to be a question about
It's going to be solar.
Solar.
Okay, here's a good one.
Great.
What does Massachusetts rank for solar electric power installed in 2014? So this is just the last calendar year. Is
Just
it
for the record, we all know like I'm getting more difficult questions. That's a thing,
Yep.
right?
I'm not going to argue that.
Okay.
Thank you, Leah.
I don't love this.
A, is it first, B, seventh, or C, fourth in the country? What did Massachusetts rank last
I
year?
want to say one, but I feel like it's a tricky one. Fourth.
It is fourth. Yes!
All right.
Absolutely.
I'm
Perfect.
only clapping because you're pretty far behind me.
I'm very far behind. That's
fine.
Yeah, thank you very much. And later
Thanks,
in the
Leah.
show, we're
Thank
going to
you.
have even more fun when it comes to saving the world. Don't go anywhere. We're finishing up Earth Day with somewhat of an extravaganza. Another Eco Fellow, Amanda Jasser, is here. We are doing a sortable challenge. Is that right?
Exactly, a recycling race.
Okay. Talk to us about what we're going to do and how we set it up.
All right, so we have here 2 piles of the same amount of materials, and Seth and Ashley at the same time are going to sort through those recyclables, and then afterward, I will evaluate who put things in the proper bins, and we'll see who did the best
Okay,
job.
Amanda, it's about to get ugly, so you might
All
want to
right,
move
get out of the
over
way.
here.
It is?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh,
I'm
Seth,
down
you're
in this
so
thing. I can't-
competitive.
Today, very much so. 3, 2,
Okay.
1, go.
Wait. You
right.
give us the 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Lots of thinking
feel
happening.
like
Milk is a tricky one.
And remember, you get 2 points for whoever goes fastest. 3 points for who does it the most effectively.
Done.
All right? All right.
wait, I'm not done yet. Hold on.
We got time.
Okay, done.
All right.
All right, so let's see. Seth definitely did it the fastest, so I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 points right here.
Okay.
That was easy 2 points.
So now
Easy
one of
2
you could
points.
win here. Let's see. All right.
Now, should we dump out the trash first?
Why don't we just take a look inside?
Okay.
If I can see from here that you threw away plastic, that's good. It's crinkly. It doesn't have a number on it. It's
And
not
it's
recyclable.
Too small, right? I've been told.
It's quite small.
Because something like this is difficult for the people to go through when they're trying to sort everything and recycle it.
Exactly.
Okay.
And something that's important to remember is that the rules about recycling varies depending on where you live. So the number one thing to do is to communicate with your hauler or your transfer station to find out what the rules are.
Okay.
And so the rules that I'm going through now are specific to us here in Western Massachusetts.
Okay.
Now I see you put this letter in here.
Can I tell you why?
Yes.
There's plastic here and there's paper here.
There is plastic, but this is actually a little trick here. We are able to recycle these,
Are we
even if
really?
there's a plastic window. They can separate it for
Okay.
us.
So I'm going to leave this here as one of the mistakes that you made.
Okay.
Here is a juice box. This is actually recyclable,
All right.
except the little plastic straw.
Which is not recyclable because it's too small.
Exactly, so we'll
Okay.
put that back in the trash. You got that half right.
All right.
You threw away this crinkly plastic. It's a combination of plastic and metal, so I'll leave it in there. This is actually recyclable. I know you're thinking about this, but this is recyclable.
But, the other thing is too, you don't want to mix food waste. You want to clean everything out before you recycle
Right.
it. See, because I figured it was a dirty milk carton. I didn't know you had cleaned it, so we'll put this in
We
the
rinsed that
recycle.
right out here.
So let's see what Ashley did.
Okay, so we're a little tight on time, so Amanda, this is
All right.
educational and fun.
Black plastic, you do have to throw that away in Western Massachusetts. Good memory
done.
there.
Maren Goldstein,
Let's
thanks for teaching me
see.
that.
You are unable to throw away plastic bags, but you can bring it back to the facility that you got it at, the grocery store.
Use them.
This is aluminum. As long as it's clean, you can actually recycle that. So I'll put that there for one mistake for Ashley. And everything else looks good. Styrofoam, you're not able to recycle here too. So try to avoid using it. Use reusable cups instead. So you know what, guys? This looks like you got 2 points for speed, but Ashley, I think I'm going to have to give you 3 points for
Well done,
the
Ashley.
best recycler.
So why don't we bring all the Eco Fellows out so that they can present the trophy to Ashley?
I'm so proud of myself.
Come on, everybody.
Oh my gosh, look at
This is
this.
the Granny Award, and I hope you have a lot of fun.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I'm so honored. Do I get a speech?
Now, do you want to turn around and introduce yourself to everybody on TV?
I'm Ash, and
And you're Maren's son, right?
yeah.
This is Maren. He's an Outreach Manager, Center for Eco Technology. Everybody, thank you so much. Ashley, do you want to have an acceptance speech of sorts that you might want to say?
Go green. I love Mother Earth, and I'm so honored that I recycle.
I'm really proud of you. Hey, here's a story that's Earth Day.